Hi, and welcome to the club. With this warm and rich color palette, a signature ombre technique, and classic styling, Club Couture is making it easy to say goodbye to summer and welcome some fall decor into your space. Your Club Couture transfer this month is the beautiful Fall Blessings B-Size transfer, which comes to life with the 3 colors included in your shipment: Currant Jam, Shimmer Copper, and Pesto. The surface we've paired this with is the Couture Gallery Aiden board, and I've gathered some other tools here to make the project quick and easy. So let's get started. I'll begin by cutting the transfer along the cut lines. This cut apart style gives lots of versatility so you can customize your design. The first element I'll use is Fall. I'll just remove it from the backer sheet, then I'll press it down on this fuzzing cloth. You could also use a terry cloth towel, and this just picks up a bit of lint and helps gentle the adhesive to prevent the transfer from stretching when you remove it from the surface. Now I'll center it on the board and smooth it, making sure there are no bubbles or wrinkles. I'll prep my first paste here, Shimmer Copper, by kneading the packet to just make sure it's nicely mixed and ready to go. Then tear the corner and I'll squeeze some out onto this little dish. That color is so pretty. And I'll do the same with Currant Jam, so I'm ready to do this fun ombre technique. I'll load up the small squeegee with copper. I'll just chalk the top half of the word, including the top of the L's. Then, using a clean small squeegee, I'll pick up some Currant Jam. Then I'll kind of start where I left off and spread the color down and also blend it a bit up into the top row. And now for the fun part. To soften that line between the 2 colors, I'm just going to blend them together with my finger, and you can get as crazy as you want here, just working the colors until I'm happy with the effect. Then peel the transfer back. Working over to the center instead of pulling from the corner will protect the transfer from stretching. Then just pull it straight down. I'll set that aside to wash off when I'm done. And ooh, it is already looking so nice. I'll grab the Blessings element and prep it while I give Fall time to dry. I'll fuzz it just like the other one. And then once Fall is totally dry, I'll position it right in the center and get it smoothed down. I'm going to use bright white for this, which would have come in the Kickstart kit if you added that to your subscription. But if not, this would look fabulous in Shimmer Copper as well. I stirred that up before and it's ready to use, so I'm using a mini squeegee here and I'll just chalk the word. Having the right tool here makes it so convenient. I'll just spread it over the screened area, then scrape off the excess. And then peel that off as well and set it aside to wash. Now for some accents. I'll fuzz the first piece and get it set down just beneath the word Blessings. Make sure it's dry enough to position here as it does overlap. I'll prep my pesto paste just like the others, and then using a clean mini squeegee, I'll load it up and chalk this with pesto. These little accents are wheat, so I'm doing them green, but they would be lovely in copper too if you want to switch up your colors. I'll get that peeled, then prep and position the last one. Again, kind of being gentle with how I stick it down so I don't mess up the wet paste next to it here. I'll get that one chalked in pesto too and peeled off. And there we go. It is so cute, so quick and easy, and it's a beautiful, customizable reminder of the wonderful season ahead and the blessings it will bring. Happy chalking!